Don't forget to send me this video on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much for that. Welcome. If you have been following me, you will know where I'm coming from. So let's get started. Good day to you wherever you may be. This is your girl, your sister from another mother. Yes, so I'm here again. That is how we roll. Yes, so those that want to know who is this woman, just come out. You'll be running your mouth. Yes, so I'm a wife, I'm a mother of 4 beautiful kids, 2 girls and 2 boys. Yes. So for those that have been following me, you know where I'm coming from. Actually, I forgot. I'm not going to lie to you, but someone sent me a DM, was like, you said something, but we didn't hear about it anymore. But before I continue, if you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe. You see subscribe there. That red button there. Is it the left or right? I can't remember, but you will see it. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. You are not paying for it. It's free. Oh my word. If you love Feb Square, please subscribe to us. We are begging you to subscribe so that you get more gist from us. So I'm going to go straight to the reason why I'm here today, because right now that I'm talking to you, I'm on my break and I have limited time. So this is how the story goes. Your comment is going to help. Yes, I'll use this medium to appreciate those that commented. In a long way, you've saved someone. Yes, sometimes you might not know. You might think, let me just say thanks for sharing. Even that thanks for sharing that you wrote, it's something. People that are reading your comments, they appreciate you. So the story goes like this. It's a real life story. It's what happened. Though it has happened, but with your comment, you can also save someone. Either you save the mother or you save the child. Yes. So it happened like this. What happened was that I was trying to get the full gist of the story. And as I'm saying this, the person involved might be hearing me, or someone that knows the person that knows the person. We know what I'm talking about, and you will testify to it. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. It's a mother. She has, I think it's 3 kids or 2 kids, if I'm not mistaken. So it happened that this mother is a single mother. She has a property in Africa. It happened that she's in the Western world. Along the line, to cut the story short, she felt, I don't want my child to be suffering. It's better I will give my child parts of the property to take care of, which she did. At the end of the day, to cut it short, because the case now, as I'm talking to you, maybe to be adjourned again, I don't know, but they've postponed it. The case is on the court. But with your comment, you can save either the mother or the daughter. For me, I always say my opinion. This is something that I know about. Not that they say, but I was just trying to find out a way that I can contribute my own widow mind, my own church mind. I can put it, but it didn't work that way. So I'm bringing it to your table, to my YT family and friends, so that you can make your contribution. It happened that the mother decided to say, I don't want my child to take care of my property anymore. Give me back my property. Which she now told the daughter. The daughter is married with kids. And I know it will be so difficult for, after, I don't say I be landlady, I be landlord, and at the end of the day, I can't talk to tenant. It will be hard. But my opinion here, or my reaction to this, they went to court. With the story I heard, they took it to some other places, not only court now. I was like, what is going on? I know some of us might say, this is not real. is what happened. But why I'm bringing it to your table or bringing it to you is for you to make your contribution. What is the way forward? Now the case is in the court. What is your advice to the mother or to the child? According to the child agreed that, oh, the mother is the owner of the property. But in the court, it's not like that. In the court, it's not like that. And you know, when court is, or judge or lawyers, they want to judge case, they follow based on what has been said or witnesses. So I was like, is it possible for them to bring it out of court since it has been adjourned? Because the case now has been adjourned. This has to do with mother and child. What is your advice? I know what is on ground now is based on property. Yes, I'm going to be putting those that contributed. The last time I was talking about how to help someone that is hurt. How do you help someone that is feeling bad, that is not happy? That was what brought about this whole story. I said I'm going to share it with you. What is your opinion? What do you think as a mother and child? Because this thing will lead to something else if they are not careful. So by the time we create awareness, sorry for that. By the time we continue to create awareness, we that are bloggers like this, when we hear issues like this and we bring it to our fans table and we say it, we don't keep it to ourselves, we also that heard about it, we are more relieved. That is just the truth. Sometimes what you say might not really matter, but when they read your comments on the comment section, they will say, oh, this thing, not that. Because what is happening now, I'm not sure this is the first time or it just happened. Some people are seeing it as it's a big problem. It's something that has never happened before. We've not seen this before. I agree, we've not seen it. This is my first time seeing it. But what is the way forward? Should they continue to be in court? Should the mother and child continue to fight because of property? For real, the property belongs to the mother, not the child. But the truth is that the child's name is the next of kin. The child is married, has children. What is your own reaction? What is your own opinion? What do you think? How are they going to handle this matter? It's already in court. The mother is saying her own. The child is saying her own. What do you think? We need peace. You know, I've said it before. In our channel, we look for way forward. We are not after condemning someone. I don't want to condemn anybody. But what is the way forward? How can they settle amicably? Can they settle it out of court? I was trying to say they can settle it, but someone said no, they can't settle it out of court. I need your opinion. You know, we are learning. We learn from each other every day. Thank you so much. I'm going to call it a day now. Thank you so much for your love. We really appreciate you. For those that are returning to view us, we appreciate that. If you've not liked our video, we notice our like don't stick. We don't know why, but try to like. I see your comment, but I don't see your like. You might say, oh, how do you know? Yes, I know. When I will see comments and I don't see like, I don't see your like. So you might be the person I'm talking to. Please confirm, that is how we roll. Me, I try to confirm too, because I notice like don't speak. But when I go back to your house, I confirm my like. Sometimes it sticks, sometimes it does not. And I try to give you the like. Though they don't pay for like, don't laugh at me. Someone is behind laughing at me. They don't pay for like, but try to give us thumbs up. Not thumbs down. If you still give us thumbs down, let us know why you are giving us thumbs down, so that we can move forward. That is how we roll. Thank you so much. I'm going to call it a day. We appreciate you all. That is how we roll. So your comment below will help someone out there. Yes, we go a long way. Take care of yourself. Love you. Bye.